My passion is to learn and share with you classic recipes that we enjoy in the Arabic-speaking world. And what better time than Arab Heritage Month to share with you my family's falafel recipe, and a dish we enjoy across many countries. You're going to start by soaking dried fava beans and chickpeas overnight, or at least for 8 hours until it doubles in size. Drain the water, then add fresh cilantro, parsley, garlic, and onion without the peel. You can use a food processor, but for simplicity, we invested in a meat grinder. Run the mixture through the meat grinder in batches for 2 rounds. You will get a semi-fine ground falafel base. Add salt, coriander, and cumin, or falafel spice, and mix it really well. If you feel like the falafel mixture is too much for you, then you can freeze a portion of it in freezer bags. Don't add baking powder to frozen falafel, only add the baking powder after it thaws. Once you're ready to fry, then add the baking powder and mix it well. If you're making falafel often, then I recommend buying this falafel shaper. Add the falafel to the shaper like so, pressing the mixture and smoothing it to create a dome shape. This is optional, but you can dip it in sesame seed. It's important to have a hollow center so the falafel isn't raw on the inside once fried. Gently slide it onto a pot with heated cooking oil and avoid overcrowding the pot. When the falafel is golden on one side, then flip it over. Remove it onto a plate with paper towel once all the sides are golden. The frying process is about 3 minutes on each side. And now you have homemade falafel. It's honestly easier than I thought. In Lebanon, we turn it into a sandwich. Add falafel to pita bread with tomato, pickles, onion, parsley, sumac, and a drizzle of tahini sauce. All the recipes will be on the blog.